Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we practice some important bits regarding the unit 4 from the 6th class Telangana English content. Who wrote the poem The Naughty Boy? Answer John Keats. Don't stop it. Panted the man. Identify the correct synonym of the underlined word panted. Answer breathe. How did Tanaji encourage his soldiers from the story Tanaji Malusere? Answer repeatedly sang. What letters did Seema find on the paper from the lesson An Adventure? Answer CLP. It was a small, quiet town surrounded by green hills and some ancient ruins. Identify the suitable antonym of the underlined word ruins. Answer reconstruction. Where did the boy come from in the poem The Naughty Boy? Answer England. Find out the suitable word which means a piece of cloth put in a person's mouth to prevent him speaking. Answer gag. Who was Tanaji from the story Tanaji Malusare? Answer Shivaji's friend. What is Arun's favorite hiding place according to the lesson An Adventure? Answer Old Temple. Who is Shivaji's mother? Answer Jijabai. Where did Seema and Arun want to go according to the lesson An Adventure? Answer Old Temple. According to the story Tanaji Malusare, when Shivaji learned of his friend's death, he remarked dash. Answer Gad Alapan Simha Gela. Where did the story An Adventure take place? Answer Vishnupur. What was a great victory for the Maratha soldiers from the story Tanaji Malasare? Answer. The Maratha soldiers conquered the Simhagad fort. Who was the man saved by the children in the lesson An Adventure? Answer. A police officer. According to the story, Tanaji Malusar, the Simhagad fort was surrendered as per the Dash Treaty. Answer. Purandar Treaty. According to the lesson An Adventure, at the entrance to the cave Seema found Dash. Answer. A piece of paper. The Simhagad fort was one of the Dash forts in the story Tanaji Malusar. Answer. 23. Identify the false statement from the given below from the lesson An Adventure. Answer. The man whom the children found near the secret passage was a smuggler. According to the story Tanaji Malusare, Ballad is a dash. Answer. A narrative song. Why did the boy go to Scotland? According to the poem The Naughty Boy. Answer. To see the people there. Who continued the fight and led the Maratha army after Tanaji in the story Tanaji Malusare? Answer. Tanaji's brother. How was the ground in the poem The Naughty Boy? Answer. Hard. Who was the Mughal commander in the story Tanaji Malusare? Answer. Deban. Where did the boy go according to the poem The Naughty Boy? Answer. Scotland. The story Tanaji Malusar was from the dash. Answer. Maharashtra. Seema will say, it is a wonderful adventure. Choose the correct reported speech of the sentence given. Answer. Seema will say that it is a wonderful adventure. According to the story and adventure, Seema and Arun went to Vishnupur on dash. Answer. A vacation. Ram said to Sita, I like swimming. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. Ram told Sita that he liked swimming. According to the story and adventure, at the entrance to the cave, Seema found Dash. Answer. A piece of paper. Sindhu is my daughter, said Ramakrishna Reddy. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Ramakrishna Reddy said that Sindhu was his daughter. According to the story and adventure, the man Seema and Arun helped was Dash. Answer. A police officer. I will catch you in a minute, replied Seema. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. Seema replied that she would catch him in a minute. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answers. Ruins, collapsed and decayed buildings. Explore, to search or travel through. Crumbling, breaking or cracking into pieces. Passage, a long narrow way through. Sham has eaten my chocolate, says Harun. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. Arun says that Sham has eaten his chocolate. The smugglers will be back, the man said. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. The man said that the smugglers would be back. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.